Now we are going to see collective nouns of animals. So long we have seen the general use of collective nouns. Now we are going to see where animals are concerned, what are the collective nouns that we can make use of. So the first is, we call them a colony of bats. So many bats together is known as a colony of bats. So a colony of bats. A school of dolphins. So many dolphins in an ocean is known as a school of dolphins. So we use the same for fish. We say a school of fish or a school of dolphins. A bunch of ducks. So many ducks together are known as a bunch of ducks. An army of ants. We either call them a colony of ants or an army of ants. So it is known as an army of ants. A litter of kittens. So we say a litter of puppies or a litter of kittens. So it is called a litter of kittens. An army of frogs. So many frogs together are known as an army of frogs. So we have a colony of bats, colony, a school of dolphins, school, a bunch of ducks, bunch, an army of ants, army, a litter of kittens, so litter, an army of frogs, army. So the following collective nouns are colony, school, bunch, army, litter, again army. Then we have a flock of sheep. We have a flock of sheep, a brood of chickens. So a brood of chickens. So we have a flock of sheep, a brood of chickens. So the collective nouns used are flock and brood. So the following are the collective nouns that we use for animals. A colony of bats, a school of dolphins, a bunch of ducks, an army of ants, a litter of kittens, an army of frogs, a flock of sheep, a brood of chickens. So these are the following collective nouns that are used for animals.